So how's the process of Aba or Alba Balabiad on the documents that you? How's the process like?
Oh, it was very easy. You guys made it very easy.
Yeah.
I went to the embassy once for about 20 minutes, and the rest was easy.
Yes,
You guys did everything.
and this is the second time that you get people from the Philippines.
Yeah, so we have a previous hire from last year, and he's doing fantastic. He's very happy, and we're very happy as well. And yeah, that went great. And so we hired another one, and he's arriving here shortly.
He's Angelo, right? The first one.
Angelo's the first one, and
Yes.
John's arriving now.
So he's doing a good thing in.
He's
the
doing
company.
fantastic. Yeah, doing a great job. Yeah.
Well, that's it. So would you recommend our company here in the UAE to your
Definitely.
friends? And
Yeah, absolutely. I would definitely recommend. I'm using it repeat and probably will again in the future. So I think everybody should.
yeah, this is the second time. So thank you so much for thank you so much for the trust and also for the process that we're doing for you. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
So, kamusta naman po kayo, Mr. JP? Ano mo gusto niyo tawag ko sa iyo? JP, John?
JP na lang.
JP, so kamusta naman ang biyahe?
Okay naman, very smooth yung take-off and landing.
So nararamdaman ko parang sobrang excited ka kasi nakarating ka na dito sa Dubai.
Excited na excited.
First time mo ba na mag-abroad?
First time.
Ilan taon na po muna kayo?
24.
24 years old, tapos ang bata niyo pa pero nakapag-abroad na agad kayo. At
Proven.
syempre, sa employer mo.
Yes, and
So-
thank you din sa inyo.
Sa Aba or Alba Balabiad, no? So, sobrang smooth lang na nangyari. Kamusta naman yung pagpasok mo muna sa immigration natin sa Pilipinas?
Very smooth lang. They ask for the papers, yung binigay ng agency mismo. And then yun, pre-invite ko lang. And then, nag-stamp na. Diretso pasok na sa boarding gate.
So yun, meron kang OEC, meron kang PIDOS, at saka meron kang OWA.
Yes, kompleto lahat.
Ayan. So, kamusta naman yung pagpaprocess ng Aba or Alba Balabiad sa mga documents mo? Like, paano ba yung mga nangyari? Paano to nagsimula?
In terms of from the start to hanggang matapos, hanggang OEC, very smooth. Kumbaga wala ka nang aalalahanin. Basta sumunod ka lang sa kanila and then wait patiently. Tapos yun, sobrang smooth lang. As in, mabilis lang talaga yung process.
So, ilang buwan ba inabot bago ka nakarating dito?
Almost lang, parang June, start June.
I think
Parang
one month.
lang, parang ganun. Parang 1 month lang kasi sobrang bilis talaga.
So, saan ka muna sa Pilipinas?
Bicol,
Bicol. Saan sa Bicol?
Naga City.
Naga. So, may naiiwan ba ang pamilya sa Pilipinas?
Syempre, of course, meron.
Girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
Ayan.
Yun
So,
lang.
kamustahin mo sila kasi syempre, anong sabi din nila kasi nag-abroad ka na.
Wala naman. Kumbaga full support sila since very very big deal sa akin to kasi this is a one-time big time opportunity for me.
Yes, sobrang swerte kasi ang ganda ng magiging work mo. Sa Pilipinas muna, ano ang work mo?
Online VA ako.
VA, so
Pero crypto related.
kaya nakuha ka nila Mr. Ruben, ang employer mo. So, ayun na nga. Ngayon, nandito ka na sa Dubai. Ano ang nararamdaman mo?
Excited and then excited na mag-work. And enjoyin lang tong buong process dito sa Dubai. And then yung bagong environment,
Yes, bagong journey.
knowledge, bagong journey.
Ayan. So, marerecommend mo ba yung Aba or Alba Balabiad sa mga kakilala mo, yung mga nasa Pilipinas, pamilya mo?
Siyempre naman, 100% recommended.
So, thank you so much at syempre, congratulations at nandito ka na sa Dubai and ito yung lagi natin sinasabi. Welcome to
Bye-bye!